Alright, we have a Chevy Spark 2013 with a bad blower motor. I will show you how to get that out of there and replace it. It looks a little bit tricky. You got to take out the knee airbag, but it isn't too bad. So let's get to it. First step, glove box. Just open it. And see if you push to the side here. There's just little legs on it. There they are. You pop that one out, pop that one out. Comes off. And then this part over here is just on hinges. Just pull straight back. Easier with two hands. There you go. Glove box is out. First thing you want to do is remove these 3 screws. 1, 2, 3 was right there. Take this out real quick. Okay, that top part's loose. Your wiring harness for the airbag will be right here. This is the little yellow one. Let's take a flat blade screwdriver and put right up under the base and pop it up, and then you got a little red safety clip. You gotta push that back with a flathead screwdriver, and then just press it in this long clip. Alright, next step, you gotta come underneath. Sorry, it's kind of hard to, a little cramped. Sparks aren't real big. But right up in here, maybe you can see there's some 10mm nuts. One right here. And there was one further over to the left right here. Take those 2 out. We'll go ahead and spin them out. Okay. Connect to the front. This is over here by the center here. Look up underneath here. Right there. Right where my light's flashing. That's kind of inconvenient. But yeah, there you go. There's another 10mm. Right here. Take that out. There's one on the other side here. I already took that one out. There you go. It's just those 4 10mm and the 3 screws across the front. And then you have to grab this. This is the knee airbag. You got to grab it and pull it straight forward like this. Don't pull it down. But it's held on with a couple of really sturdy clips on each side. So you do got to put quite a bit of force. I've already got mine loose, but yeah, straight back. Actually, one of them stuck again. So here you go. There you go. See, it's just got these couple of clips holding it in. Not sure why my camera is refusing to focus. Let me clean it off and get right back to it. And there we go. So there's those are clip that's holding it in. So your knee airbag's out. Set it aside. This little metal rail will want to fall out of it. Just be sure that that stays with the airbag, because you need that to put it back on. Okay, I'll come back under here. Then you got a clear shot at the blower. Here's your wiring harness. Before it was in here, it clips on this, let me press it in right there. There you go. That'll come out. And you got 1, 2, and You can see the third screw's up in this like little cubby. There it is. So take those 3 out and the blower motor should drop straight down. Alrighty. There you go. Old blower, new blower. Came out no trouble. Just came right straight down. Took the 3 screws out. Alright, and pretty much reverse order on this. Your wiring clip goes to the right side of the car, or to your right hand side from in here, that is. There's one screw will go back there, one back there, one back there in the dark. We'll screw that down, put your plug back in, go from there. Next thing I gotta do is install the airbag. Blower's all got the screws in, wiring harness. So remember, we got these clips on the side, so you're just gonna make sure your wiring harness, make sure your wire for that is tucked up around this way. You don't want to pinch it anywhere. Sorry about that. We got little guide pins. Can't really miss. Press on the corners to pop your clips back in. Make a nice little click. Put your 3 screws in. 1, 2, 3. Tighten those down. And then remember, back under here we have one 10mm bolt will go there. One on the right side. One there. And then the 2 on the back side. I'll just take a clear picture of those after I get it done so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And for your airbag, little wires here. When you put these back together, make sure you push this little safety clip back in. That'll keep it from coming undone. And then right here, this little black pad. You can kind of see it, but that just slips onto it. Click. And there you go. That's all hooked back up. Alright, we're all fastened down. Last step's easy step. Just your glove box. You can see right there. It just sits right there. Same on this side. And you just push it into place. It'll clip down. There's your little rubber things. Just squeeze inwards on both sides. Slips up. There you go. Glove box is in. Next thing to do is reconnect the battery, and we'll give it a test, see if it works. Okay, y'all. There you go. This blower motor is quite a bit louder, but everything works. All done. Easy job. Only takes about 20 minutes.